Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to insert bullets in Microsoft Word. So if you also want to insert bullets in Microsoft Word, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Microsoft Word. After that, simply open the document in which you want to insert the bullet. You can see over here, I've already opened the document. So you might want to insert the bullet whenever you're trying to list out the points. Inserting the bullets is actually very simple. First of all, what you have to do is look at top. Right over here, you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to find the option for file, home, insert, design, layout, references, mailings, review and view. What you have to do is click on the home option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, home tab will be opened. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. In the paragraph section, at first you'll be able to find the icon for bullet. If you click on it, you can see over here the bullet will be inserted. If you want to insert another type of bullet, for that what you have to do is click on the drop down icon that you can see right over here, right next to the bullet icon. Now you can see over here you'll be able to find several options for bullet. This is the bullet library. From here you'll be able to choose the bullet that you want to insert. If you click on the bullet, you can see over here that particular bullet will be inserted. You can also define the new bullet. What you have to do is click on the drop down icon that you can see right over here. Now at bottom you'll be able to find two options. Change list level, define new bullet. All you have to do is click on the option define new bullet. Now from here you'll be able to define the new bullet. You can add the symbol, picture or font as the bullet. Simply click on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to click on the symbol option. Now from here you'll be able to add the symbol as bullet. Simply click on the symbol that you want to add as bullet. After that, click on the OK option that you can see right over here. Now again click on the OK option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here that bullet has been added. So that is how you insert bullets in Microsoft Word. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.